Now you've got your network all set up. However, if you've got, say, a news site that you're running or a blog that you might be running and that has articles, another really cool feature of Minds Networks is that you can add our integrated comments on that website. So, how it works is fairly simple. All you gotta do is enable comments on your channel on your network. So let's go to our test network here, and you can access these settings under more and clicking settings. And once you're here, we go to other, and you see this embedded comments option right here. So we go ahead and click on it. And in this example here that I'm showing y'all, the domain or the website that I want these comments to show up on is called chintz98.github.io. And the path pattern is a simple regex pattern, and you can double check both on regex sites as well as with your domain provider. But in this case, the regex pattern I've used is anything after a slash. So pretty much all the pages. And what it looks like in action is something like this, where we have some content on our page. So we have two images, and we've got this little comment section right here. And you can add these onto your website as well. But first things first, you gotta enable the setting. And once you're happy with that, go ahead and hit save. So now you've gone ahead and have hit save, you'll have to actually complete a couple of steps here. So we use the super simple regex directory match all pages, but if you say, for example, have articles under a particular slug, you can use that in your settings as well and exclude certain pages. So say, for example, you're running a blog and you want the comments to be added on all pages except, say, the about section. You can do that within our settings. So once you've gone ahead and done that, the next thing you'll have to do is you get your user GUID. And so to do that, we'll need to create and load a URL that looks something similar to this. So to easily find out our user GUID, let's paste API/v1/channel right before our username on the network that we have. So in this example here, we're gonna paste that snippet right there. And once we've gone ahead and pasted that, that should return a GUID. And keep that GUID somewhere safe, or copy paste it in a text file, because you'll need that very, very soon. So once you've got your GUID, let's go ahead and go to the Minds developer docs, which will load this little piece of documentation, and we copy paste our GUID that we got from our network profile. So let's go ahead and do that. The network domain, so in your case, it would be your custom subdomain and network, and in my case, it would be socceroos.testchintz.online. So let's go ahead and make that change. And then the URL to comment on, which is basically the site that I want my comments to live, would be this domain right here. So let's go ahead and copy paste that in. So once we've pasted all our network's values in, the code snippet looks like this. And in action on an HTML page, how this might look like is that you'll have an HTML document. In this case, it's Google test.html, and each HTML page has its meta properties such as an OG image, a title, and right in the head of the document, so the head section, that's where we copy paste this script tag. So go ahead and copy paste that script tag and place it right in your head section. And once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and paste the actual embed itself, which is this div tag. So go ahead and copy this div tag, and wherever in your HTML code you want to lay it out and place it, you can. In my example, I've placed it at the bottom of my page here, and once I'm happy with the layout and placement of that, I can go ahead and hit save. And once the changes to the website propagate, should take around 1 to 5 minutes, we'll be able to see the result on our website as well. And the analogous part to that is that if I go ahead and write a comment here, so let's go ahead and hit post, I'll be able to see this on my network. So this is the constituent post that has been created from the comments embed, and you can see my comment that we made on our external website here on my network. And so this unlocks a lot of powerful features, especially if you're publishing to an external site, or in the case of Socceroos Network, are already running a successful blog and want to integrate a social aspect into that website while still bringing users to your new network that you've just created.